Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is just a quick little Maggie Holmes garden party embellishment share. So some of the ephemera pieces are actually these little like frames. There's a couple other ones, but I already used them. And I think just to spruce them up without doing too much work, like you don't need to do stitching or anything like that, is using tulle. This is from Michael's. And just gluing it without having to do a shaker, because it does have these chunks of like iridescent glitter on there. So what I did is just get some hot glue and go all the way around without having to do too much. And then just push it down with something so you don't burn your hands. And then just trim around the edge of this as best you can. It's okay if it's peeping past the scallop, or you can kind of cut inward like so. And you just took that boring frame into something with a little bit more texture. Of course, all the big chunks of glitter are like hiding, they're not out, but I made some of these little flag embellishments. This is using a die. I used the littlest one. It does not have a layering piece, so you just cut this out in the base and then cut it out again, and then just cut off the scallop part to give you a layering piece. But these were inspired by Bree, who is with Love Bree here on YouTube. They're so cute. Okay, so what I did is, look at, this is one of the frames, and I just added glitter, and it just brought it so much more to life without having to do a shaker and doing all that. I stitched this one on, but you could easily just hot glue it on as well. So that's what you could do with all the frames. I think I'm going to turn all my frames into glitter tulle frames. So this is the chicken, and then I also, to bring all of these to life, on all of the chipboard, I just went on some of the black parts, and I just traced with this gold, it's literally just called gold stickles, and did it on some of the black like drawing. Like I could have did it on the beak, the eyes, but I didn't want it to be too much, so I just did it on some of the feathers, and it just brought this chipboard piece to life. I neglect my stickles too, so I'm trying to use those more. Again, I just smeared some on the bunny's top of the head and then traced some of the white right here. And then the quail, I just did it down, and some of the scallop part. And then this one, the butterfly, brought the butterfly to life by adding some dots over here that weren't there, and then down the center. And then I did go ahead and add a puffy sticker to each and every one of these with a chipboard as well. This one's holding a cup, and this one got a bow. So yeah, I just stitched some of the little, this is the 12 by 12, the cut apart piece that you can cut. So I cut some like tickets out of these. Bree used stamps, which are super cute, but I didn't have any stamps. So I absolutely love the way that these turn out. Little sequin clusters. Used a few of the straws that were gifted to me that I have left, and then put pom-poms at the edge of these. Cute, right? I love these. These are super, super cute. And this actual little die is about 2.5 inches tall. So you guys can get like a size reference for these guys. And I'm literally going through and stitching my entire ephemera pack, you guys. Trying to do some grunt work. Maybe I'll, you know, have more stitching on my projects if I do all that first. I don't know. Maybe not. I'll try it though. And then I worked on some more of those little ribbon strips, which I already showed a project share. Again, these were inspired by Bree. She did like word ones. And I just did the little chipboard hearts in the background, or hearts, flowers, and then a little foxy right here. And then I did go through and spray with my gold mica mist, just to give it like, see how this is just black and white, but I sprayed it with the gold, so it's on there, and it dried on the chipboard and it doesn't smear. So that's good to know, because it does have like a glossy finish. And I just repackaged them in the sticker packaging. So yeah, that's my quick little embellishment share for today, and I will catch you guys on the next crafty video. Bye guys.